OnePlus 8 Pro is reportedly about to go on sale soon. This smartphone is now expected to go on sale on the 15th of June at noon based on a tweet from tipster Mukul Sharma. The new OnePlus 8 Pro packs in a 4510 mAh battery and has support for wireless charging as well as 30W warp charge 30T fast charging. The OnePlus 8 Pro sports a 6.78-inch QHD Plus AMOLED display with a hole punch. It has a quad camera setup at the back comprising of a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, an 8-megapixel telephoto camera and a 5-megapixel color filter lens. OnePlus 8 Pro starts at 54,999 rupees for the 8GB RAM, 128GB storage variant and 59,999 rupees for the 12GB RAM, 256GB storage variant. It runs Oxygen OS based on Android 10. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC and is paired with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM based on the variant you pick. The phone also has a few launch offers which include a flat 2,000 rupees off on SBI cards, 1,000 rupees cashback on Amazon Pay, geo benefits of up to 6,000 rupees,